Hey and welcome back to the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. You're probably wondering, does he know I like him? You think you're giving signs, but is he catching on? From being nervous around you, to being more flirtatious with you, in this video we show you the top 12 signs a guy knows you like him. Make sure to watch to number 1 because you don't want to miss it. And if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, if you relate to any of them. Let's start. Number 12. You feel it. You know when someone knows, you can feel it in your bones. Maybe it's the way they act or look at you, but the point is, you have a feeling. If you have this feeling that they know you like them, then you're probably right. Don't second guess your intuition, it's usually right. Number 11. He starts talking to you more. If he knows you're into him and suddenly stops talking to you, well, then you know he's not interested. But if he increases conversation with you and starts to talk to you out of the blue, well, then that's a great sign. Guys won't waste their time talking to girls who don't interest them. Number 10. He invites you out to group events. He's asked you if you wanted to hang out with him and his friends. Well, you didn't expect that. Sure, he knows that you're into him, but now he wants to see what his friends think of you. So, he's starting to ask you to come to parties, hanging out with friends. Get you acquainted with his friends and lifestyle. Number 9. You see him opening up to you. If he knows that you're into him, he can let down his guard a bit because he isn't worried about being rejected. Men are terrified of rejection, just like women are. He's at ease now and isn't worried about opening up to you. Number 8. He goes out of his way for you. If a guy doesn't like you, he won't step out of his way to help you. I mean, they'll open the door for you or whatever, but he's not going to pick you up and take you to the movies. That's not how it works. So, if he's spending time with you and doing things that require more effort, it's a good sign. Number 7. He's nervous around you. He's not nervous in like a terrified way. He's nervous in an, oh my god, what do I do next way. He stutters when he's trying to talk, he says a bad joke, he mumbles to himself. These are all signs that he's overthinking things. Why is he overthinking things? Because he likes you. Number 6. He teases you. Men like to tease the women they're into. It's another form of affection. If he's teasing you and playfully touching your shoulder, it's only a matter of time until this progresses. This is called flirting, you already know that, and flirting usually builds up the sexual chemistry, it gets things going. So, keep doing your thing. Number 5. He pulls back. If he's suddenly pulled back, he probably found out that you like him, but he's either scared or not interested. Now, I don't know the guy, so you're going to have to investigate into that a little further. Him pulling back is usually not a good sign. Even if he was scared, he would still hang around you. Number 4. Body language. You'll notice that his body language is more directed towards you. He's not shying away, he'll have his body facing you, he'll be laughing at your jokes, and touching your arm. If he's not interested in you, he'll avoid any body contact and will most likely keep his distance. You'd do the same if you didn't like someone. Number 3. He texts you more. If he doesn't like you and he knows you're into him, he'll cut the texting to a minimum. But if he's into you, he'll increase the texting and social media interactions. It makes sense, right? Now that he's relaxed, he can do whatever he wants online without looking like a creep. Instead, he looks like a guy who's put claim on what he wants. Number 2. He doesn't mention other women. If he isn't into you and he knows that you like him, he'll mention other women in front of you. It's not to be mean, but it's meant to subtly hint to you that he's just not interested. So, if he's doing that, get the hint and find some other guy to focus your attention on. Now, if he doesn't mention women at all or openly rejects them in front of you, that's not a bad sign. That doesn't necessarily mean it's because of you, but it shows he's not interested in other women. Number 1. He's more flirtatious. Now that he knows you're into him, he's not worried about getting rejected. Many men do not take the next step because they fear rejection. So, now that he knows he's in the clear, you'll notice him being a little more flirtatious, which is good for you. So, roll with it and see where it goes. If he's doing a couple of these things, the "does he know I like him?" question has been answered. He knows, girl. Now, play it cool and let him take the wheel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos for more interesting psychology topics. Thanks for watching.